Without a doubt, the creeper is one of the most iconic and oldest mobs in Minecraft, but its animation is kinda So today I'm going to show you my version of how I think the creeper should have been animated. Let's go! I'm going to redo some of the creeper's animations, and of course there'll be explosions. It wouldn't be a creeper without it, would it now? First things first, I need to put all of these pieces together by sucking a cube from default cube heaven. The creeper is made up of simple shapes, squares, rectangles, and that's what makes this really easy to do in Blender, because it's not advanced modeling. But it does get as hard as this woman trying to grab a rope. I mean, look at this. Look at this mess. Anyways, I know how I want the creeper to move, sorta like he's actually creeping up on the player, because the current animation looks like he's just casually walking towards you. By the way, while searching up references for this video, you'll be amazed at what you can find. I started my keyframing thinking, yeah, everything is going to be A-okay, not realizing that I would be spending some time on this and that my computer would crash and I would spend months trying to finish this one video.
2,000 years later.
Like a phoenix, I rose from the ashes of my doom and started over from scratch. For the sake of time, I downloaded this creeper model from Sketchfab, which is a site where you can download a lot of free models. Then I started rigging that bad boy to get it ready for animating again. So much fun. Anywho, once again, I was back at the animating process. And as I've said, the aim is really geared towards getting that sneaky, fluid type of look that you don't really see in regular Minecraft. And I didn't have to bend the model like last time, because you guys really didn't like that. I saw the comments. After all that, I got some basic movements that I could polish up and use for the end product. Minecraft has an animation for the moment the creeper is about to explode. I did something like that, but with a twist. I found out that if you scale the model up and down, add some keyframes, then set the interpolation to elastic, you'll get this crazy erratic movement which I find fits perfectly for the creeper's charging up animation. For that moment, just before the creeper explodes, I gave it some fire sparks using Blender's built-in particle system. I did this fiery pixelated shader. I thought it was really cool and that it would come in handy whenever I had a scene with fire or explosion or something like that. And the nodes wasn't anything fancy, it's just some transparency, a color ramp, and a Voronoi texture. If you're not familiar with nodes, it allows you to create materials and textures that you'd pretty much see in a lot of games. Now for the moment that you've all been waiting for, the animation. But then, I said to myself, no, you can do better than that. And so, I did. He creeps up on you. Then he runs at you. Then he explodes. And that's how I think the creeper should have been animated. A little bit of eerie here and a little bit of creepy there. Thanks so much for watching and supporting my last video. Remember to subscribe if you like this one. You've been great. And I've been Lava Wig.